All right, predict the rainfall with the temperature is 50. So what are we going to do? Plug in what?
Second trace.
Plug in 50 for the X. Yeah.
You try.
Yeah.
Got it.
All right, Morrison, what'd you get?
88.91.
Did you guys agree with him?
Yeah.
I just got some.
All right, so that's millimeters. If we look at this whole, all right, that's millimeters of rainfall. So 50-degree weather, 88 millimeters, almost 89. All right, so the reason I wanted you to do that is just, again, for practice putting it in the calculator. All right, and some of you are getting some errors. We'll get your calculator fixed. I just probably have to reset the memory for that to happen, but we can do that. All right, so number 15 for homework. I think it was $5 for a pizza, and $1 for a soda, and $3 for a salad, wasn't it? Any questions? That's a pretty easy one, wasn't it? Jared?
I got 3.5, 4.75, and 2.25.
Okay, so you did something wrong somewhere. Either putting it in or setting it up.
Here's my equation. 2P for pizza, then plus C for soda, then plus S
For salad.
Salad, yeah, and then equals 14. And for
That's
my second
right.
one, I have pizza plus Coke plus 3 salads equals
15, okay.
Then 3 pizza plus Coke plus 3 salads equals
2 salads. That's what went wrong.
Oh, okay.
Any other questions? That was pretty easy to set up, right? This other one was pretty easy also, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Haley, what were the answers?
Oh, I got $800 for a cell phone, 500 for a lip seat, and 300 for a chair.
I believe that's correct. What was this, 500?
Yes.
We okay with that? Jared?
I got 1,200, 100, and 300.
Okay, so this one would be S plus L equals 1,300, right?
Yeah, I'll put like a plus 0 there.
Okay, plus 0 is fine. And then this would be S plus 2C is 1,400, right?
Yeah.
And then this would be S plus L plus C, 1,600, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so to line things up, remember we talked about making sure your matrices were lined up. So for my A matrix, I've got 1 sofa for each one, right?
Yeah.
And for my love seat, I've got 1 and none and 1, right?
Yeah.
And then for my chairs, I got 0 chairs, 2 chairs, and 1 chair. So that should be your A matrix. You guys all okay with that? Make sure everything's lined up. Okay? And then your B matrix is these 3 numbers. Okay? 1,300, 1,400, and 1,600. Do we remember that we're putting in a inverse B? Is that what we're remembering? Okay, make sure you remember that, or you won't get the correct answer. You got to do that inverse. Okay? Yeah, so some of these, they don't give you, each equation doesn't have each variable, so you have to put a 0 in where that variable's missing. Okay, not a 1, but a 0. If you put a 1 there, then it says there is 1 there. Does that make sense? Is anybody having issues with your matrix stuff in your calculator?
Mr. Manning, I was gonna gave me a different equation, even though I just put 1, 2, 0 instead of 1, 0. So you have to keep the same.
Yes, you got to be in order. That's what I'm talking about, lining things up. So all of these have to be the sofas, all of these have to be the love seats,
Yeah.
and all of these have to be the chairs. Yeah, so that's your mistake then. You just didn't have it in the right order.
Yeah, when I fixed it up, I got it right.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Yeah, that does make a huge difference. Everything's gotta be in the same one. We good? Okay, so today's nothing new. All right? I'm just giving you 5-word problems. You have to write the equations. All right? So, again, you gotta use some common sense. Some of you are gonna say, oh, you can't do this, all right? Keep trying, read it more than once. Help each other out in a lower volume of voices. And I'll come around and help you too. But I'm gonna give you time to work on it in class, okay?
Thank you, Fernando.
All right.
Who said thanks for homework? Like, we
No,
know you
thanks
don't
for
want
giving
it.
us time.